Hey guys, welcome back. I bought some things. So let's do an unboxing of my P.Louise packages. And we've got this, Lord, got this big box. Hey, okay, let's see what's inside. And I was so excited and I went ahead and I opened up these. These are the water activated liners and I just can't wait to use them and see what it's really like. So I do have my own palette of water activated liners and they have some neon shades, but yeah, this right here, this is what the rainbow water activated liner is looking like. It even has a mirror. I'm excited. And then this right here is the water activated liner palette of neutrals. I can't wait to use that. This is really exciting. It's Wonderful of Wonder by P.Louise. These are so perfect and beautiful. It's like a 2-in-1. Let's get this other big box opened. Let's get this big box open. Oh God, they must want me to tear it up. What the fuck? Look at that. Well, well, well. Okay. Wow. Whatever happened to this package, girl? Whatever happened to this package? Ooh, look at my hands. Yeah, we've got spillers in here. I did get some of those the colored bases, so I can't wait to do some eyeshadow looks with that. That's gonna be exciting. So this is what happened. The black shade, the cap fell off and then it stained everything, but let's clean it up, you know? Let me find that cap. That's so sad. Yeah, so these are the colored bases that I ordered for eyeshadow. This is gonna make my eyeshadow just amazing, like super blendable and everything. One of these days, I will have a makeup look. I will post a makeup tutorial with it. Let's wipe them down. But yeah, y'all can see how pigmented that black color is. Oh my God, you know what? Either way, I'm glad my package arrived. It took a long time for it to get here. And I have some faith in P.Louise. And, you know, yeah, I'm excited. Oh, yeah, I don't know. The caps keep falling off. I don't know how that happened. Yeah. Wipe them down together. Under
298 frozen patties later. A few inches later.
This is the only one that was safe because he was in a box. In the box, I found the missing cap for my very purple shade for this. And they sent me this little lip palette, this little lip kit. Oh, you know what? I will try that. This lip liner is a little bit too bright for me though, but yeah.